Google just quietly dropped a brand new free dictation app that runs entirely on your phone. No subscription, no internet required. It's called Google AI Edge Eloquent, and it just launched. Let me show you everything it can do. Open the App Store, search for Google AI Edge Eloquent, and install it. Once it's done, tap Open to launch it. Tap Continue and give it a moment to finish loading. It's downloading the AI model to your phone the first time. When it's ready, tap the record button to try it out. Tap Allow when it asks for microphone access. Then go ahead and read the sample text it shows you. When you're done, tap Stop. The app automatically refines your speech, cleaning up filler words and polishing the text. You'll see the cleaned result right on your screen, and it's already copied to your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere. If you want to make any tweaks, tap the edit icon in the top right, make your changes, and tap Save. Then tap Next to move on. Next, you can connect your Google account. Tap Connect to my Google account, pick the account you want, and tap Continue. A window will pop up asking you to select words to import into your personal dictionary. These are pulled from your Gmail, so the app already knows your vocabulary. Tap Import to bring them in, or tap the X to skip it for now. Totally up to you. Once your account is connected, just tap Next, then Next again, and hit Finish Onboarding. You're now on the home page. Now you're on the home page, and there's a lot going on here. At the top, you can see your usage stats, how many words you've dictated, your speed, and your total count. In the top right, there's the cloud toggle. Cloud on means the app uses Gemini on Google servers for enhanced text cleanup. Cloud off means everything stays private and offline on your device. Nothing leaves your phone. Let's try it with cloud on. Tap the record button, speak naturally. I'll say, the main thing I wanted to cover today is the Spotify campaign for next month. We need to finalize the content calendar, reach out to the influencers, and wait. We need to confirm the budget first before we do any of that, and then schedule a kickoff call with the team. Tap Stop when you're done. The polished text appears on screen, and it's automatically copied to your clipboard, ready to send. With Cloud on, you'll see options below the transcript. Key points, formal, short, and long. Tap Key Points and the transcript turns into a bullet point summary. Tap Formal and it rewrites the whole thing in a professional tone. Short condenses it, long expands it. Any format you need, just tap it. When the cloud is off, the app still polishes your text, but the reformatting options aren't available. You can see the original text below with the number of insertions and deletions the AI made. Everything stays on your device. Nothing goes to any server. At the bottom, tap the History tab. Every session you've recorded is saved here. Scroll through them or use the search bar to find something specific. Tap any entry to copy it, edit it, or delete it. In the Dictionaries tab, you've got two sections, all words and collections. Tap the plus icon to add a new word anytime. Great for names, brand terms, or anything the app might mishear. In Collections, tap Create New to build a custom dictionary. Give it a name, add your terms, and you can even import from a file or pull words directly from your Google account. Last one, go to Settings and make sure Save Dictation History is toggled on. If this is off, none of your sessions get saved, so turn it on before you start using it properly. That's everything in Google AI Edge Eloquent. Dictate, auto-clean, transform, offline mode, history, custom dictionaries, and usage stats. All completely free, no subscription, no limits. It just launched, so it's still early, but it's already impressive. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.